Welcome back to the MotorFab YouTube channel. On today's episode, Luke has asked me how committed I am.
No, I meant to finish in the bread van before I dismantle this Crown Vic to the point of no return.
Well, yeah, that too.
Yeah, she's not going back now, Haytch.
No going back. No returns.
You ain't putting up. Be here for a while, bud.
Working all day.
Yeah, good boy. That's it.
Yeah.
Did I touch her?
What do you have?
Watching the show. Let's say a little less Crown Vic. One less in the world. Sad, sad day. But off the scrap metal she goes. I've just asked old mate to drop the bread van gearbox on the roof of the Crown Vic just for a video. Yeah! What a legend. Thanks, buddy. Sorry about the oil.
It's your side over there. This side is fine. I think it's another ball right there.
It's another clip thing that's broken, I think. I think it's one of those square things. I've been trying to get the shifter on them.
No, it's a nut.
It's a nut?
Yeah.
The astute viewers will notice I do have a hoist, but 3-phase Australian is 415, and that's where I bought the hoist from, and housing in America is 110, so we have a slight problem there. It does it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're good, Mark. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
What you doing, Heather?
Just keep going.
So wrapping up from a few hard days work, there's our dismantled Crown Vic, and there's our dismantled bread van. A bit of a task that was. I think it's heavy. So I just got it sat there ready to extend this chassis. Got to make a couple of brackets for the hold the fuel tanks, used to mount to the body, and we are going to extend. We're going to put 8 inches in the chassis here. There's a big fire or something going on, so big Cal Fire plane's going over every 5 minutes. Sorry about that. So yeah, we're going to extend the drive shaft, brake lines, fuel lines, and the chassis to make it the same wheelbase as what the bread van was, and then we'll work out how and what we're trimming out of all here to get that down. Obviously the controls won't be in the right spot for the bread van. Bread van seat's currently about here, so we're going to look at a chain drive for the steering, straight off the steering rack, universal down there, up to there, to the existing bread van steering column. But the brake booster, master and pedal and everything will move up and just extend the brake lines. They got hoses off the master cylinder anyway. And the throttle is drive by wire, so we can mount that wherever we want. As same as the aircon controls and all that, we'll probably just extend the wiring. And we talked about extending the dash wiring and just putting it inside the glove box or something, so you don't have a Crown Vic dash cluster, but you can still check the engine vitals if need be. But there we go. It's nothing fancy yet, just a lot of hard work, a lot of problem solving and decision making when we didn't have a working hoist, but we figured that out. All right, so we got this big bit of steel that we got from the scrap yard, and it's very close to being a snug fit over the outside of the chassis rail of the Crown Vic, which is over here. So we're going to cut that, leave some up there for it to sleeve, and we've made a little divot there and there. We're going to add our length and stretch it out well both sides, and it's going to be the right wheelbase for the bread van. don't know, we'll drop it.
Yeah, this one right there. Check this one right here. I always noticed this, just hook all the way to the
That's all pretty strong. But I think we'll have to get it close so we can see what's going to try and lay it. Do you have jumper leads, Max?
What?
Do you have jumper kit?
No?
It's not moving it. Oh, jeez.
Got it?
Yeah. To save a seat that we're probably not even going to use.
You insisted that I must put those seats back in there, so.
It'd be cool.
No, he said it is happening.
Well, we said it.
Can you film for us, please?
Honey, I'm behind you.
Okay, we need to get the jack and try to get that stand. See how the chassis is hitting this stand? It needs to go lower. It's close.
So this has to go down, but the chassis is not.
Right? As I jack it up, it stands it works. You guys just want to keep a bit of pressure on that, and I'll lower the fork a bit. Well, actually, as we lower it, we need to pull this side over back to Haytch.
Hold on, let's get
Cool.
over there.
Yeah.
Hey, look. Well,
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's got to come around the door hand. But, I mean, it can sit there now because it's going to take the weight, so.
hey, a little more.
Okay?
More. Right there.
And
You have to come more this way. Right there. Okay.
that one's okay, man.
Let me go back a little bit.
It's stuck on the door about the pedal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's okay, but it's gonna hit the handle up there.
And look at what we have here, finally. So we actually weren't sure what we were doing with the bread van for a while. It got put to the back burner. We had some other projects going on that needed attention, and this actually almost got cut from the lineup. But I pretty much begged Luke and my dad.
Twisted my arm.
But two have become one, and it moves a lot better now. And there's a mosquito.
You can actually plug some of those connectors back in and that thing will start and drive. With air conditioning.
With AC, that's important.
And power steering. Yeah, the car is still intact for the running component of it. Oh, sorry, it won't drive because the drive shaft needs to be extended 8 inches. So we extended the chassis 8 inches to make it right. A lot of deliberation on where it was going to sit, and it sits really cool. We do have airbags for it, so that'll work. It is a Police Interceptor 4.6 overhead cam V8. A little hard to get at the airbox now, but we'll make that work. That's why it's up on the top there. Everything else fits and works. It's functional. We'll go into detail about how I made like a subframe to hold everything. And yeah, it's coming along. So we've still got the dash. That's gonna come out. And we'll cut all this paneling and stuff off. The chassis and frame is all connected through there. And then again at the front. And then once all this paneling is removed, then we'll put the sheets in there. And the only tricky part is one steering wheel is there and one is there. So off the bottom of the rack down there, we have to build a chain drive system. You can buy them actually, but we'll make that work. Don't worry about that.